Q9377, which checks and inspections of flight instruments or instrument systems must be accomplished before an aircraft can be flown under IFR. A. VOR within 30 days and altimeter systems a transponder within 24 calendar months. B. YLT test within 30 days, altimeter systems within 12 calendar months, and transponder within 24 calendar months. C. Airspeed indicator within 24 calendar months, altimeter system within 24 calendar months, and the correct answer is A. Transponder within 12 calendar months. No one is allowed to fly an aircraft in IFR conditions while utilizing the VOR radio navigation system unless the aircraft's VOR equipment has recently undergone an operational inspection. A person is not permitted to fly an aircraft in controlled airspace while using IFR unless all static pressure systems, altimeter instruments, and automated pressure altitude reporting systems have been tested and inspected within the previous 24 calendar months. Regulations prohibit the operation of ATC transponders unless they have undergone testing and inspection within the previous 24 calendar months. 9408. When is DME or suitable RNAV required for an instrument flight? A. At or above 24,000 feet MSL if VOR navigational equipment is required. B. In terminal radar service areas. C. Above 12,500 feet MSL. The correct answer is A. No individual may operate a U.S.-registered civil aircraft inside the 50 states and the District of Columbia at or above 24,000 feet MSL if VOR navigational equipment is necessary, unless such aircraft is outfitted with authorized distance measurement equipment, DME, or a compatible RNAV system. 9023. What DME indications should a pilot observe when directly over a vortex site at 12,000 feet? A. 0 DME miles. B. 2 DME miles. C. 2.3 DME miles. The correct answer is B. This is based on the fact that a vortex facility provides distance measuring capabilities in nautical miles, and when directly over the vortex site, the DME indication typically reads 2 DME miles. 9024. Where does the DME indicator have the greatest error between the ground distance and displayed distance to the vortex? A. High altitudes close to the vortex. B. Low altitudes close to the vortex. C. Low altitudes far from the vortex. The correct answer is A. At high altitudes close to the vortex, the DME indicator may have the greatest error between the ground distance and the displayed distance. This is because the DME system calculates distance based on the time it takes for the signal to travel to and from the aircraft. At high altitudes, the signal propagation can be affected by factors such as atmospheric conditions and line-of-sight limitations, leading to potential errors in the displayed distance. 8145. When an air carrier flight is operated under IFR or over the top on Victor Airways, which navigation equipment is required to be installed in duplicate? A. VOR. B. ADF. C. VOR and DME. The correct answer is A. No one is allowed to fly in instrument flight rules, IFR, or over the top, OTT, unless the aircraft is outfitted with the radio gear required for the flight path and is capable of receiving radio navigational signals from all primary en route and approach navigational facilities intended for use by either of two independent systems.